Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you always. Be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see friends in this video we are providing the most trending and classical designs of Crochet top decor. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique Crochet top designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. Breathable Crochet loss for airflow, keeping you cool. Soft Crochet fabrics is gentle on skin. Lightweight, perfect of warm weather or layering. Flexible crochet stitches of easy to movement. Easy care machine washable and dryable. A unique design crochet patterns offer endless variety. Feminine touch, delicate, lazy detail, customizable chooses color, yarn, weight and styles. Suitable of casual dressing of the beach wear on trend. Crochet is a popular fashion trend. Fitting, comfortable design, accessories, crochet, repetitive motions and glamming. Design creative and the express yourself. Wear handmade, feel special concessions, share handmade items with loved ones. Temperature regulation, crochet breathability adjusts to body temperatures. Skin health, natural fabrics, gentle on skin. Crochet environment, comfortable, sportive designs. Stress relief, glamming, activity, crochet process. Mood booster, vibrant colors, beautiful designs. Chooses suitable yarns, reduce weight, long-lasting, well-made crochet top indoor. The bicycle or discolored material, low showing spots, local gens, periods, articles, handmade, reduce, fast fashion, environmental input. Handmade, reduce, fast fashion, environmental impact. Types of crochet tops, twins, blouse, think bags, tops, sweaters, and the gangrines. Popular crochet stitches: single crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, and the sheet stitch. Cotton wool blends, cotton, national fabrics, e.g. bombo silk. Would you like to explore specific crochet pattern stitches on yarns? So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Different colors crochet designs is a very beautiful tops, long and shorts tops. Select your favorite designs and apply on your body for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decorations. So viewer, if you love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon, viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel.